Hello everyone, this is Arun. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the ATP cycle. So ATP powers nearly all forms of cellular work, right? ATP is an organic molecule. It stands for Adenosine Tri Phosphate. So you can see here in the picture, we have a adenosine molecule with a triphosphate tail here. We have 3 phosphate as a tail. So these phosphates are negatively charged. So this negatively charged phosphate, which are crowded together, repels, right? It repels each other. So it makes kind of a compressed spring. This triphosphate tail is something like a compressed spring. So as a result, what happens? The bonds connecting the phosphate group are unstable, right? They are compressed, so they are repelling each other. Hence, they are unstable. Now, if we add a water molecule over here, so by means of hydrolysis, what we are doing, we are breaking these bonds. Okay, so what happens after the hydrolysis? Adenosine triphosphate becomes adenosine diphosphate. So here we have 3 phosphates, but if you see here, in adenosine diphosphate, we have only 2 phosphate tails. One phosphate gets removed. So this removal of phosphate releases the energy, right? They have energy stored in their bonds. So once this terminal phosphate gets removed, it releases the energy here. So this is a simple concept about ATP. Now let us see how this energy which is released during the breaking of triphosphate tail is used by the cell. Okay, so next question arises, how does a cell couple this to an energy requiring endorganic reaction? So the energy which gets released is exorganic. Now the next question arises, how cell is going to use this energy to drive some endorganic reaction? The answer is simple. It's by means of phosphorylation. Okay, so phosphorylation means transfer of phosphate group from ATP to the another molecule. So once energy is getting released, what this ATP does, it transfers that energy to that phosphate to the another molecule. So ATP energizes the molecule by phosphorylating them. So this is the idea. So we saw here that the phosphate is getting removed, energy is released. So what ATP does, it transfers this phosphate to the neighboring molecule. Finally, we are in the ATP cycle. So you can see here ATP, by means of hydrolysis, the energy is released now. So the energy is released, which is used for the cellular activity. Once this energy is released, we have ADP, which we discussed before. So ADP again gets some energy from the respiration. So in respiration we get energy, right? So oxygen molecule through the breathing, through the respiration. Finally, our body has glucose. These two gets synthesized, and again we'll get a ATP molecule. So on this circle goes on. That's why it's called as ATP cycle. That's it, everyone. I hope you like this video. I'll see you soon then. Bye.